friends, Google Docs has a great feature that can really help organize collaborative activities. Did you realize that there are table templates in Google Docs? Wow, how helpful is that? There are a couple of ways to insert a table template. The first is the tried and true way we all know for inserting items by selecting Insert at the top of the file and selecting Building Blocks. Another way is to simply enter the @ symbol onto the document and a pop-up search menu appears. How's that for a handy-dandy shortcut? Under Building Blocks, we have 4 different table template options. The first option is Product Roadmap. This one might be helpful to organize and monitor classroom projects and problem or project-based learning. Anytime we have an assignment that requires step-by-step actions, has a milestone to reach, or a checkpoint that needs approval before proceeding is when we might find this sort of table helpful. Another great thing about these table templates is that they can be completely customized. So we could change the heading of the column. We could also choose to add or edit the options. When we click on an option and choose Add Edit Options, a new pop-up appears where we can choose the drop-down arrow beside the color circle. There are color options to select from, or we could choose to customize even more. Here, we could customize the text color or the background color. Once we have customized the table, even if we've already begun to put it to use, if we notice that we need to revise or update it, we can. For example, if we notice that there needs to be another option, we can just select one of the chips, then add a new option. But that's not all. If we want to relocate that option, we just click on the action button and drag it to the desired location. If we decide to delete an option, we can use the trash can icon. If we are ready to save the new option, we just select Save. A pop-up will appear that asks us if we want to apply this revision to all of the other drop-downs on the table like this one, or just make changes to this particular instance. How handy is that? The next table option is Review Tracker. This table template could be helpful for tracking peer reviewing, peer tutoring, peer feedback, or any other kind of student collaboration that might have different status points. There is automatically a column for adding the reviewer's name, the drop-down options for the status, and a place to add notes. We could even add a link to other files here. The third table template option is Project Assets. This table template offers ways to support tracking for assignment completion, submissions, or makeup work. How handy would this be for when a student had an extended absence, for example? The last table template option is Launch Content Tracker. This table template could be helpful when we have students at different stages of publication, say for blogging, posting artist statements, or creating picture books, for example. It might also be helpful for supporting students who forget to submit assignments or are working on a behavior goal. Once again, inserting a table template is quick and easy. Select Insert or enter the @ symbol onto a Google Doc. Select Building Blocks. Select the desired table template. Edit the column headers if necessary. Edit the drop-down options if necessary. Table templates can make monitoring, tracking, or checking off milestones quick and efficient. Well, that's a wrap for WCS EdTech Tip using table templates in Google Docs.